Hello students, welcome to this new video. This is the part 4 of your chapter 3. In this video, we are going to study the topic how we can insert or modify the legend in a chart. Okay, so legends we have told you what do the legends do? The legends indicates us the key to the different colors or patterns which are used to shade the columns in a chart. So what we are doing, we are using different colors or patterns to shade the columns in a chart. You can also use different colors also. You can also use different patterns also. Okay, like in one of the columns you can have a slanted line pattern, somewhere you can have a horizontal line pattern. Similar in this way you can have different patterns also, and you can also use different colors also for shading the different columns in a chart. So why do we have different colors or different patterns? So that we are able to differentiate between the two types of values. Okay, like for example here if you again go back to the previous example of your first page, we have seen the legend here also. How was the legend created? See, the legend here it is telling about the different colors which are using for different divisions. So here this example was of the past division chart. Okay, so here the legend was the information which was going to indicate us the color information which was going to indicate us about the different divisions. Okay, so here we were using three different colors for the three different divisions: first division, second division, and third division, and different colors were being used for that. So legend was the information which was telling us about these three different colors. Okay, so like this, in this way, what are legends used for? Legends are used for okay, 1 minute. See, legends are used for indicating those keys to the different colors or patterns. Key means what? Actually they will tell us about the colors only. What is the meaning of key? Key means what? They will tell us that what color is used for what particular value or what particular topic. Okay, so they indicate the key, or they indicate the key to the different colors or patterns used to shade the columns in a chart. So here key means what? Key here the key will refer, key means the different divisions which the colors are representing. In that example, what will be the key in that case? The key will be the different colors that those divisions were representing. Okay, so in this way the keys will change as per the example. Okay, as per the example of the chart, whatever chart we are creating. Okay, keys will refer to those values which are being denoted by the different colors. What is the meaning of keys? Keys refer to the values which are being shown by the different colors. Okay, now by default the legend is inserted to the right at the right of the chart. Okay, so at the right side of the chart always what happens? By default the legend is inserted. By default means what? Without choosing any option, if we just insert the legend, then what will happen? It will be inserted at the right of the chart. But if you want to modify this position, this also we can do by following some steps. Okay, by following some steps we can also modify or change the position of the legend with respect to the chart. Okay, how we can do so? We can also change the default position of the legend. For that we have to follow these steps. First of all, select the chart. Okay, then select the layout tab. This step is common to every modification which you have done up till now. Then what is the third step here? You have to select the legend option from the labels group. Now you can see the labels group here. What is there? This legend option is shown over here. Okay, so we have to first select this legend group, so legend option from the labels group. When you click on this legend option, then what will happen? Again a drop down list will appear. Okay, you can see the drop down list is having different options which are about the different positions at which we can place the legend. Okay, like you can see, none means what? None means what? You are not inserting the legend. Okay, then you are turning off the legend. Show legend at right means what? The legend will be shown at the will be aligned towards the right side of the chart. Okay, show legend at top means what? That you want to show the legend at the top. You want to show the legend at the top of the chart, or in other words, we are aligning towards the top of the chart. We are top aligning the legend in the chart. Okay, then the other option is for showing the legend at the left side. Okay, what it will do? It will show the legend and align it towards the left side. Okay, so these different options are given over here. Okay, so what option we are choosing here? We are going to choose the option show legend at the top. So when you choose this option, then what happens? See, because the default option was towards the right only, so here what option we are choosing? We are choosing the option from the drop down list which is show legend at the top. So when you choose when you choose this option, you can see that in this way the legend is displayed at the top of the chart. So you can see the what is the legend here denoting. Here what are the keys? Keys are the key team A and team B. Okay, keys are the value of the colors for team A and team B. Okay, this is the legend. Okay, so the legend, as you can see here, it will get displayed at the top of the chart as shown in this figure. Now the next topic is how we can add the data table to the chart. Okay, a data table shows a different data inside the chart area along with the data columns. Okay, what a data table shows? It shows a different data which is inside the chart area. Okay, it shows this data table where it is inside the chart area only. Okay, it is showing the different data inside the chart area along with their data columns. Okay, it will also show the data along with the data columns also. Okay, like you can see here, what you can see in the figure 3.16 here, what is there? First of all, we have a chart, then just after the chart, at the downside of the chart, what is there? Below the chart, we have shown the data table. Here this data table is just below the chart, below the x-axis. Okay, similarly, what steps we will follow to create this data table? To insert a data table, we have to follow the following steps. Okay, first of all, you have to select the chart, then select the layout tab. Okay, first of all, select the chart on where you want to insert it, then select the layout tab. Why we are selecting the layout tab? Because all these options are available in the layout tab. Okay, then again go to the labels group only, and this time what option you have to choose? We have to choose the data table option. Okay, previously you were choosing the legend option, now we are choosing the data table option. Okay, so select the data table option. When you go on the data table option, when you click on that, then what will happen? Again a drop down list will open. Okay, from the drop down list that will appear, what option we are choosing here? Select the show data table option as shown there. Here what you can see first of all, the data table option is shown with the yellow color here, and then we are choosing the option show data table from the options given over here. Okay, so what you will go when you choose this option, then what will happen? The data table will appear below the x-axis with the data from the different series displayed below each set of columns. Okay, so below each set of columns, what is displayed? The data from the different series are displayed. Okay, like in the first over, what is there? Whatever runs the team has scored, those runs are displayed in the particular columns in the data chart, in the data table. Okay, you can see here what happens. The data from the different series are displayed below each set of columns. Okay, each set of columns is showing the value in the column format by using in the graphical format, and just below the columns, what is there? For each set of columns, the data series is also shown over here. Data from the different series are shown in the different columns. Okay, then separate rows are there for, two rows are there for team A and team B, and the runs scored by the teams in the respective overs are shown in the data table. Okay, so in this way you can see you can insert the data table in your chart. Okay, one more option which is available in the data table option is to show data table with legend keys. Okay, if you choose the option, then what will happen? The data table will be shown below the chart, but it also include the legend keys also. Here the legend keys are not included in the data chart. If you choose the option show data table with legend keys, then the legend keys will also be shown along with the data table. Okay, the legend keys will also be shown along with the data table in the chart area. Okay, so with this we finish this video. In the next video, we will start with the next topic, which is adding grid lines to the chart. So till then, thank you. I hope you have understood the video.